Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chuck up in Ohio on the beautiful TRE Top One. Chuck got you ready to go, bud. Got your high cut filter right here on the back. Let me show you. Got you all modded out, final upgrade, etc. Show you right here. 25 watt slug. Got you at 1 watt all the way down, Chuck. Roll it up. 8.5 watts. Show you average power swing. Low 17.5 bird. 50 watt slug and peak. Low 39 peak. Chuck, this old single final radio is rocking and rolling with the final upgrade, regulator, etc. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Boom, boom.